All right, how's everyone doing? I'm Rich Celenza. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm actually at Daily Juice Cafe. Pretty sure it's on Barnett Road in Austin, Texas. So normally I do a video outside introducing the smoothie place. I go in there and then showcase it or whatever. And in this case, I actually went in first, and because I've never been here before, truthfully. So I went inside. It was a great experience. There was a young lady in there. She explained a bunch of things. It was kind of loud. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but I'm going to show that video after this. But it's a really great place. Really, I'd say they're more well known for juices. I actually got a bowl in there. I think it was called the Nutter Butter. And I also got I think it was called a Lotus Juice, which is basically beets. So I'm going to go inside there, show you what it's about. Very nice place, very nice people, and then I'm just going to wrap it up from there. So if you get a chance, subscribe. I also have a podcast, The Rich Celenza Show, WTF Are You Talking About? I'm also on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you're in this area, you definitely want to check this out. All right, let's go inside. All right, hold on 1 second. We are rolling. You want to tell them a little bit about this place?
Welcome to Daily Juice. We're an Austin-based juice bar. We do juice cleanses and smoothies. We have a bunch of really unique items like the garden toasts. We're all about just eating whole nutrients, drink your greens, and yeah, we're all just about keeping it local.
Nice. When I came in, they actually, they were letting me do some samples here. You want to tell them about some of them?
Yeah, so this is actually what a one-day cleanse looks like as well, but it's 6 bottles of juice a day. These are all cold pressed, which is the most efficient way of juicing. Yeah, it's a really great way to just get your greens. They're a good little meal replacement as well.
And they're over here, right?
Yep.
We kind of go over here because they're talking. So here's the juices. I got the beet juice, which was the Lotus. It's just right there. Store. So here's all their fresh juices. Here are some of their salads. I got some kale, veggie pesto, wrap, some other juice. Yeah, it's a really cool place.
Balance me out, dude. Balance me out.
Some other stuff as well. Chocolate brownies. Lemon ginger. This is what it looks like. I should give you the menu. I got a Nutter Butter.
We also have soup. Yeah, our soup is really unique. How it works is we have a veggie broth that we spike with the different flavors of sauce, and then we can either pour that over fresh vegetables like zucchini noodles and carrots and all that good stuff, or we can blend everything in a coffee cup. So the concept is the veggies stay as raw as possible.
Nice.
Yeah.
How many locations are there?
There's 5 in Austin.
It's just strictly Austin?
We have one in Houston, but we're working on getting rid of that one. It's not doing so well.
Nice.
Houston.
This location specifically, I was going to go to an LA Fitness. What is this area?
This is the Burnett-Anderson intersection. So this is actually the home base of all of our juices. We make all the juice in the back here, we bottle it and label them ourselves, and then we distribute it to our other locations.
Gotcha. So this is like your flagship.
Yeah. Yep, exactly.
Right? Gotcha. Oh yeah. I got the Nutter Butter, right?
That's the Nutter Butter.
I usually have headphones in, but I kind of like that this is off the cuff. It's going to be kind of rough. I like that. When we say skinny, we're not talking about weight. Thank you very much. Again, what was your name?
Satara.
What is it?
Satara.
Satara. What kind of name is that?
It's apparently a place in India.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you too.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you. I'm glad you're
Yeah, and then here's the juice I got, like I said earlier, the Lotus. I love beets, but they have so many different flavors here, and yeah, if you definitely come here, what's wonderful is you truly get to sample every juice, not like a lot of other places I go to.